Imagine walking into a factory and the lights are off. No workers, no noise, just rows of machines silently churning out products, day and night. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Taiwan's Techman robot just revealed the machine that could make this real, and it doesn't cost millions. It starts at the price of a car. Meet the Xplore I, the $20,000 humanoid robot that could run entire factories. So we're not talking about a futuristic demo robot anymore. We're talking about an affordable humanoid priced in the $20,000 to $30,000 range that could quietly replace the last human-dependent steps in electronics, semiconductors, and even auto manufacturing. Of course, Universal Robots still dominates the cobot market, and China's Dobot has already started mass-producing its Atom humanoid. But with NVIDIA in its corner, Techman just threw down a serious challenge. The real question is, when factories can run completely lights out, what does that mean for the rest of us? This is Techman's Xplore I, the $20,000 humanoid that might just run the factories of the future. So what makes this robot different from all the other humanoids you've seen online? For starters, Techman isn't new to the game. They're already a global leader in collaborative robots, the kind that build smartphones, semiconductors, and even Tesla parts. Now they've taken that precision and given it legs, arms, and a brain powered by NVIDIA. The Xplore I runs on NVIDIA's Jetson Orin platform, basically an AI supercomputer small enough to fit in your backpack. That means the robot doesn't just follow pre-programmed moves, it can actually process its surroundings in real time, adapting to the chaos of real-world factory floors. It's got 22 joints for lifelike motion, a wheeled base for mobility, and a quick-change end effector system so it can swap tools on the fly. Need it to handle inspection cameras? Done. Want it loading heavy parts with a German shunk gripper? No problem. And here's the wild part. Techman is pitching this not as some far-off experiment, but as something they'll mass-produce by 2026. Their parent company, Quanta, which already builds hardware for Apple, Meta, and Tesla, is planning to use these humanoids in their own factories first.